Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp in WordPress website. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. As you can see right now, I am currently in my WordPress website. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your plugins. Also remember that you would need to have an upgraded plan to be able to install plugins. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the search bar, click on search for chat, and you will be able to see all the different chat plugins available here in WordPress, the chats that you will be able to use and add them to your website. Now, it's not exactly WhatsApp, but it's an alternative that we could use to put it into our website. As you can see here, for example, we have click to chat. You're simply going to click this and install the specific plugin for your website, and you can integrate them and add them to your website by going to the blocks over here and looking for the specific plugin that you have just installed. You can simply search here also if you are trying to find it with more efficiency. And that's it, guys. You can simply drag the specific plugin that you have added to your website by simply dragging it just like this. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.